Hello?
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 Ask Papa how many sleeps.
Hello?
Ask Papa how many sleeps till you go to his house.
And I wait to Mommy.
How many sleeps until Morgan comes to your house, Papa?
One.
Ask Papa how many sleeps till you go to Papa's house.
Papa, I have one sleep for us.
You know what? Papa will be here in 1 second. He's just gone to get a calendar so he can count for you. 9 sleeps. Oh,
9 sleeps. 9 sleeps, and then you go to Papa and Grandma's house.
Yay! Awesome!
Awesome.
And Mommy, my GS and Pooh Bear. Hello?
What are you trying to reach?
Hello?
What are you trying to reach?
A balloon. You get it!
You get it?
How is it?
It's too
What color?
purple.
Purple, but it's too high.
I need to get Grandma's.
Want me to come and grab it for you?
Yeah. But it's too hard.
It's too high. So grab
So I gotta go to reach it. So this is not perfect.
You can't reach it?
No, but the...
Because it's too high.
You need to pee?
Morgan, did you
No,
put it-
poo.
Morgan has to go poo, she said.
Bye.